Hey everyone! You may not know this, but this is a completely new background for me. I'm giving it a shot, and I know it's different than usual, but if this is your first time seeing me, you don't know that. You're just like, hey, it's a background. What do you think of it? What do you think? Let me know. Alright, let's get into this video. Hello everyone, and welcome to my BoxyCharm Boxyluxe unboxing for June. I hope you're excited to get into it. I just got my box today. I'm very excited. Let's break into it. Alright. So, the theme this month, and if you don't know about Boxyluxe, it replaces the regular BoxyCharm every 3 months, so you can get 4 a year. And this one is Dare to Dazzle, and for anyone who cares, the Luxe version is C2106415. So, right off the bat, there's something in here that's very fragrant. I can smell it. It's very fragrant. So I feel like something is maybe spilled, but I'm not going to look at the thing just yet. We've got some bubble wrap. I think it might be this right here. Oh, it's definitely this. This is the Aromatherapy Associates Revive Body Gel, and it has got, let's see here, grapefruit, rosemary, and juniper. So I'm definitely smelling the rosemary. I don't have to take it out of the package and rip this up. I smell it. It's very medicinal, very herbal. It's very, very strong. So I can't even imagine, I mean, because this plastic is still intact, it just smells that strongly. So if you're someone who's sensitive to smell, you might not like this at all because it's very fragrant, but the nice thing, it being a shower gel, it's going to wash off very quickly. So there's that. That's the first item. This is always a fun game. You tell me how much you think it's worth, and I guess, and I'm usually wrong. So that is no, $46 for that. For a body wash. No, not even the Kora's like body shower gel, which you can get on sale for like $9. $46? Nope. No. Okay. No. So the next thing that's in here is actually a very large palette, it looks like. Let's take this off here. This is from Ciate London. It says, I am a woman, what's your superpower? So that's really neat. It says, to all the amazing women, we see you, we hear you, and we celebrate you. Oh, I love that. Okay, so let's break into this lady here. All right. So this is cruelty-free, certified by PETA, has an 18th month shelf life here, and it looks like it's currently, this one is made in China. Okay, so let's open this up. Ooh, this is so pretty. You see this? This gives me, I think it's one of those Huda palettes, like kind of that sunsetty nudes or something like that palette vibes. This is exactly what this reminds me of. So it looks like they've got some shimmers in there, they've got some mattes in there, they've got some like satins. This is really, really pretty. Oh, look at that. And actually all of the names seem to be famous women. So like Amelia Earhart, Amelia Robinson. Oh, look. And this copper one down in the corner, it says you. Oh. So Frida Kahlo. I mean, yeah, this is really cool. Joan of Arc. It seems like it's kind of like famous women in history. So that's really awesome. It's a heavy palette too. This is $45. I will say for a palette, $45 is, yes, expensive, but when I compare that to the body wash, which was $46, I would much rather have the palette, so I'm excited to have that in my collection. The next thing that is in here is from NYS. I don't know what it is. We're going to open it up. Oh, you know what? They're sunglasses. They are sunglasses, so these are cute. I don't know if you can see this, but it's got like a pretty little waffle texture here with like little gold tip at the end. And let's check these out. What do we think? Oh, I kind of like them. Ooh, yes. Yes, it is summertime. The sun's coming out. These are perfect. And I usually have a problem with sunglasses staying on my nose, but that seemed to stay up just fine. So I am really excited to get these. I'm sure they're probably, what? How much? More or less than the palette, more or less than the body wash. These are $40. Okay, so first of all, I don't believe the $40 is outrageous for a pair of sunglasses. That seems reasonable. I'm still caught up on the $46 for the shower gel. Let me know out there, what is the most expensive shower gel you've ever tried? Because $46, seems like it would be the very top for me. The next thing that's in here is from Avant. Avant is actually usually in the boxes a lot, and it's always like the big ticket skincare item, you know, like the overnight sleeping mask or like hyaluronic acid face wash or something. And so I'm sure this is probably the same. Oh, hyaluronic, lactic, vitamin B3, mint glycerin, collagen, some stuff I can't pronounce. Okay, hyaluronic acid replenishing lip serum. Okay, a lip serum. Sounds nice. All I can still smell is that medicinal smell from the other. I'm going to put it on top of my stuff. Yeah, not sticky. Feels nice. Oh my gosh. Okay, because it's Avant, I have to say it's probably like $60. Let's take a look. Shut up. You guys and gals. $122. Simultaneously plumps and nourishes lips with hyaluronic acid. Oh my gosh. Okay, I just can't even read. $122 for this. Honestly, just go get the Yenza like lip oil. I think it's $20 and it's much more reasonably priced, and I think it's fantastic. Anyways, I would never pay $122 for this. Would you guys ever pay $122 for this? You guys tell me. I would not, okay? I'm very excited. Ooh, NARS. First of all, I love NARS products, and it looks like it's going to be a blush, and they have the most famous shade, you know, out there, which is the NARS Orgasm one, and this is, oh, it's actually that color. So if you've never seen that color before, which I already have another one of it, so maybe I'll just save this one. Let me take off the little thing. This is their classic, iconic, it's kind of a peach with a little bit of gold reflect. It's very, very beautiful. It's very, very famous and well loved by a lot of people, and maybe I will put that in a giveaway of some sort for someone else, because I have a jumbo size of this, and so I don't really think I'm going to get through that anytime soon, so I think I'd rather just give this one away to someone before it goes bad. So, but this is a beautiful blush. I believe they're around $30. So let's take a peek here, and it is $30. Oh my gosh, that's the first time in a long time I've actually gotten one correct on the money, like exactamundo. So props for Shelly on that one. So the next thing that's in here is the brow styler from Benefit. Now if you guys know Benefit, they make amazing brow products, always have. I'm a big fan of them. The Precisely My Brow, the Gimme Brow, the Goose, like all of them. They're all so good. So this is got a jiggler in it, and oh, okay. So it starts with a wax pencil, okay, at the top. And then in the bottom, I think I saw this one, it has a brow, oh, it's just flying off. It has a brow powder. So I don't know if you guys can see anything. Yeah, okay, well, that's an interesting idea. I have not tried that, but I'm excited to do that. I'm sure it's probably around $25. And let's take a peek here. It is $34. I was wrong again. Okay. I had my one shining moment, and then it just all went downhill from there. Next up is the Dr. Brandt Triple Antioxidant Face Cream. Dr. Brandt is usually a more expensive brand. It says, "Say I love you with pride." Oh, sweet. They have the Pride logo and colors and everything on there. So I'm hoping that means they're donating some of this proceeds to that. Let's see. $64. It's a brand new launch from them. And wow, 12 hours of protection from damaging free radicals. So that's actually really cool. I'm excited to try that. There are a lot of Dr. Brandt products that not only I've seen in boxes, but that I have bought as well. Full price even. I think that would be a fun video. Also, brands that I've paid full price for that was also in a BoxyCharm, or like I got a sample and I bought the full size or something like that. I think that would be cool. Let me know if you want to see that video. I think there's one last thing in here. This is the last thing I haven't opened, and I'll just find it here on collagen gel eye pads. Wow, $32 for this. I don't understand why, because honestly I feel like some of them I can't even break into it. It's 5 pairs of that for $30-something. So I like the Wander Beauty ones, the real thin foil gold and rose gold. I feel like they stick on the face really, really well. I will give these a shot. I can report back. I feel like that's really, really expensive, but there you go. So when you add up the cost of everything inside of this Boxyluxe, I am not going to be able to do it this quickly in my head, so I'm just going to put a number here on the screen and say that is the value of this box. Do I think it was worth the upgrade? I'm really excited about the eyeshadow palette. Would never pay that much for the body wash. I already have the blush. I mean, I'm kind of excited about the brow product. So this box is kind of in the middle of the road. It's kind of an eh for me. Like, it's nice. I'm glad I have it, but some of the stuff I'm actually not that excited about. I kind of feel like if I had just gotten a Boxy regular base box this month, I probably would have been as satisfied, if not more. And I feel like you should really be overly excited about the Boxyluxe because you're paying more money for it on top of your regular subscription. So do I think it was worth it this month? I kind of don't think it was. I'm curious to see what happens though when I get the Boxy Premium delivered, and that should be in the next few days, I'm hoping. One of the things I'm most excited about it is inside was supposed to be, it was a choice item, was the Kristen Dominique Transitions palette, which I've been eyeing for a while. So if you have that palette and you love it, let me know, drop it down below. But other than that, I want to know, what did you think of the Boxyluxe? Do you get BoxyCharm? What was your favorite item? Let me know in the comments down below, and I will see you in a video very soon. By the way, what do you think of this new background? I'm thinking maybe give it a shot every once in a while. I like to spice it up, change it all up. But anyways, thanks for joining me, everyone. I will see you in a video very soon. Bye!